Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain YouTube automation from A to Z and show you how to build a faceless YouTube channel using AI in 2026, even if you don't want to appear on camera, don't have editing skills, and are starting from zero. This video is perfect if you don't want to show your face, you want to use AI to save time, you're curious how faceless channels make money, or you want a realistic, beginner-friendly explanation. I'll break everything down step by step, without hype, without fake promises, and without shortcuts that get channels banned. So let's start from the basics. YouTube automation does not mean uploading stolen videos, reposting TikToks, copying other creators, or making money overnight. Real YouTube automation means using systems, tools, and AI to reduce manual work. You still need original content, a strategy, a consistency. Automation helps you scale. It doesn't replace effort. What is a faceless YouTube channel? A faceless YouTube channel is a channel where your face never appears, your identity stays private, the focus is on information or visuals. Examples of faceless content: explainer videos, AI voice videos, screen recording, storytelling channels, list style content, or motivational videos. In 2026, faceless channels are more popular than ever. So is YouTube automation still allowed in 2026? Yes, 100% allowed if done correctly. YouTube allows AI voices, AI visuals, AI automation tools. YouTube does not allow reused content without transformation, and mass-produced low-value videos, spam channels. The rule is simple: add value in originality. Okay? If your content helps people, you're safe. Okay? Now, choosing the right channel, okay, faceless niche. This is where most beginners fail. Good faceless niches are educational content, tech tutorials, AI tools, facts and explanations, finance basics, business concepts, motivation with original scripts. Bad niches for beginners are movie clips, celebrity clips, re-uploads, music completions. Always choose a niche where you can add explanation, right? Now, the basic YouTube automation workflow, big picture. Here's how the simple automation workflow. You're gonna use InVideo as your starting point, okay? So pick a video idea, write a script, AI assistant, generate voiceover, create visuals, edit everything together, upload consistently. AI helps you at most every step. Let's break this down. Write a script with AI the proper way. AI is great for scripts if used correctly. Use AI to generate outlines, improve clarity, and rewrite ideas. Do not copy scripts blindly or publish generic content. Always edit the script, add your own structure, make it sound human. Original script equals save channel. Okay? Now, creating AI voiceovers. Right? You don't necessarily need a different tool, but you can use 11 labs. Yeah, 11 labs for creating a natural video or natural voiceover, excuse me. So make it natural, human sounding, accepted by most people, or accepted by YouTube. Tips: choose a neutral voice, avoid robotic tones, right? Match pacing to content. Make sure to just scroll in 11 labs and choose exactly what voice you want to use in your videos. Okay? AI voice plus original script equals powerful combo. Now, creating visuals without showing your face. You have multiple options. You can use stock footage or let AI do its thing. Screen recordings, slides with motion, or animated text. The key: visuals support the script. Don't show random footage. Every scene should match what's being said. Okay? So let's say Warzone. Okay? And hit generate video. They will ask you how the video will look like. If you want it to be like a tutorial more, or if you want it to be more advanced, etc., etc. So prompt too short. war zone, and you can choose here the model. Okay, so make sure to choose the latest one, war zone and famine. Make sure it's detailed, but I'm just showing this to demonstrate. Baby crime. Right, hopefully this is detailed enough. All right, so yeah, now I'm gonna be able to edit the video, right? Usually you can do it inside InVideo if you don't like the outcome, right? Editing for animation is simple. You need to sync voice with visuals, add light, zooms, or transitions, keep pacing smooth, or you can use CapCut for that. So avoid over editing or flashy effects or distracting animations. Clean and clear wins in 2026. Now the titles and thumbnails for faceless channels. Your thumbnail matters even more if you're faceless. Best faceless thumbnail styles are big, bold text, symbols and arrows, high contrast visuals, curiosity-based wording. Your title should be clear, honest, match the thumbnail. You can use Canva for making your thumbnails. So make sure to choose the one that fits your niche. Now, uploading consistency. We explained this before, but automation works when you upload consistently, you follow the repeatable process, and you manage to match the voice with the script, okay? Or match the script with the visuals. So what you're gonna do, hit create and upload your video, drag and drop that outcome. Make sure to post 2 to 3 videos per week. Don't wait for perfection. Systems improve with repetition. Now, how faceless automated channels make money? Faceless channels can monetize through YouTube AdSense, affiliate links, digital products, courses, sponsorships. So AdSense is usually step 1. Everything else comes later. How long does it take to see results? Be realistic. Typically, timeline for the first 30 days learning phase, 2 to 3 months algorithm testing, 3 to 6 months traction possible. There are no guarantees, but consistency dramatically improves odds. So avoid these mistakes. Okay. Avoid reusing content, overusing AI without editing, uploading low quality video or low value videos, chasing trends blindly, giving up too early. Automation is a business, not a hack. If you like systems, want scalable content, prefer not showing your face, are willing to learn, then yes, YouTube automation is worth it. Okay, but it's not passive, it's a leveraged effort. So YouTube automation in 2026 is not about tricking the algorithm. Okay, it's about using AI intelligently, creating real value, building systems that scale. You don't need fame, camera, confidence. You need niche, process, consistency. Start simple, improve as you go. All right. If this beginner guide helped you, like the video, subscribe, and comment below if you want me to cover another topics next. So thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next one.